In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books. We'll start by signing into your Zoho Books account. Once you log in, the first place to look is the home page. This is where you can review the dashboard overview and get a quick snapshot of your business. The dashboard helps you see important information in one place, so it's a great starting point before you begin entering data or managing transactions. Next, go to the Sales section and select Customers. This is where you can add your customers and build your client list. Keeping customer information organized here makes invoicing and sales tracking much easier later on. After that, click on Items and create the products or services you sell. Think of items as the building blocks for your invoices. By setting these up in advance, you can save time and keep your billing more consistent and accurate. Once your customers and items are ready, go back to Sales and select Invoices. Create a new invoice, then choose the appropriate customer and add the products or services you want to bill for. This step connects your sales activity directly to the customer record, which helps keep everything organized. When the invoice looks correct, save it and send it to the customer. It's always a good idea to review the details before sending, just to make sure the quantities, rates, and totals are accurate. To record your outgoing costs, go to Purchases and select either Expenses or Bills. From there, enter vendor bills and business expenses. This helps you track what your business is spending and gives you a more complete picture of your finances. Next, open the banking section and connect or add your bank accounts. Once your accounts are linked, Zoho Books can import transactions for review. After the transactions appear, go through them carefully and categorize each one correctly. This step is especially important because accurate categorization improves reporting and makes account reconciliation much easier. If you bill clients based on hours worked, you can also use time tracking. This optional feature allows you to record billable hours for projects and clients, which can later be added to invoices when needed. To understand how your business is performing, click Reports. Here you can view key financial reports such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. These reports help you understand income, expenses, and overall financial health. You can also use documents to upload and organize receipts and other business files. This makes it easier to keep supporting records in one place. Finally, return to the dashboard regularly to review receivables, payables, income, expenses, and cash flow. That ongoing review helps you stay informed and make better business decisions. Thanks for watching.